the amazing Ngong Hill. So guys, I'm in this place, just trying to promote this place. If you have, you made this video, make sure you hit that subscription button. If you are new, for the returning subscribers, thank you for your support. And make sure you like this video and recommend it to your brothers and sisters, to your cousins, to your girlfriends, to your boyfriends, and life goes along. Continue supporting the Love of Theo channel, because a lot of things are going to come out of this channel to show you around. Yes, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. Today is an amazing video that I'm bringing to you right from Kajiado County, and this is Ngong Hills. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm going to give you wonderful experience of this beautiful and awesome place. Welcome, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Sasa hii ni stima. Dhitima. Yes, as I said, this is Ngong Hills, and we are here cruising mtoko to the Ngong Hills. So ladies and gentlemen, today I'm bringing you this amazing video to show you how Ngong Hills look like. So this is Ngong Hills. These are wind vents where they produce electricity. There's a Kenyan pole. All these are Kenyan poles right here. So how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 wind vents. Wind vents. You pronounce like a Ugandan. Like a Ugandan. Somebody somewhere. So this is it. When you want to come here, if you are a Kenyan citizen or an East African community, you pay only 232 shillings and you enjoy the view of the Nairobi, the Suswa. I don't know if you can also see Tanzania, but this is the beautiful and amazing place. Yeah, the Kilimanjaro, Mount Kilimanjaro. But today I'm not going to show that because number one, there's a lot of, is it fog or mist?
It's foggy.
It's foggy. So this place is foggy. We can't do that. We can't show you that. But I'm not even sure if my eyes too can see that end. But at least today we are here. You see the fog. It's whitish. White and very white. Very white.
They're not outstanding.
Yes. So there's so many people who have come to this place to see this place, to view the views of this view place. For myself, this is my first time to climb this hill here. So we have been struggling coming with a motorbike. I've been struggling on the way. Sometimes I had to jump off the motorbike. Sometimes, so when you are coming, be prepared to jump off, to jump in. And life goes. Yes, to my surprise, in this place, I've come to this place and I've realized that there are so many Wazungus or so many white people coming just to witness and see this. The tourists, international tourists have come to this place to see how beautiful this place is. But now I've not seen the Africans, the Kenyans, the local tourists. I've just seen quite a number, like me, some other couple of people. But the highest number here are people from Europe, people from Asia, people from, where is this? From South America, North America, all those places. So from the US, they're right here in this place. But now, that begs a question. If we cannot explore our own places, we are comfortably seated in our sitting rooms, watching them in our screens inside our houses, instead of coming to this place and explore this place. Stop looking. These whites, they come here. I've seen quite a number of them with cameras that have come just to showcase this place, to take videos, to take pictures in this place right here. So that means that they are going to make this content and come back and post it on YouTube, maybe on Facebook, somewhere else, about the Ngong Hills. But now for us, we are now seated in the house looking or watching those videos or these videos about the Ngong Hill. So what am I saying is that let's support our local tourism, let's support our places, let us support Ngong by coming it's just 200, that's around $2. Yes, around $2. You comfortably come to this place and see the amazing Ngong Hill. So guys, I'm in this place, just trying to promote this place. If you have you made this video, make sure you hit that subscription button, if you are new. For the returning subscribers, thank you for your support, and make sure you like this video and recommend it to your brothers and sisters, to your cousins, to your girlfriends, to your boyfriends, and life goes along. Continue supporting the Love of Theo channel, because a lot of things are going to come out of this channel to show you around. If you are comfortable in your house, you don't want to move out, the Love of Theo will give you everything right from this channel. Enjoy. So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the view, enjoy this video, give a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, share, do everything to support the Love of Theo. You know, I just give you the best of the best and spread love there. So when you do that, you are spreading love to everybody, to the Love of Theo right here. So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy that. Enjoy as I'm showing you around Ngong. This is the end of our trip in Ngong Hills. It is an amazing place. It is a beautiful place. So I'm calling each and every one of us who has not visited this beautiful and awesome place to please do your best and try to get this beautiful place. Although I'm leaving this place, but my eyes are still focused to seeing behind how amazing and beautiful this place, this Ngong Hills is. It has a beautiful and amazing place. Environment is dope, everything is on top notch. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are new here, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support and for your love. Let's continue spreading love. Let's continue watching this channel, subscribing and showing love